Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hi everyone. I am Asad Coding Bala and today we are stepping into the world of tomorrow, exploring the future of augmented reality AR. AR is changing how we shop, learn, work, and interact with the world by building digital elements into real life. From real glasses to impressive classroom and visual assistant, AR is shaping a smarter and more connected future. So let's get started and gain some insight. Let's call with Maya.
Assad coding wala. Hi.
Hi,
Good to hear from you.
how are you? I have some question for you. My first question is how will AR evolve in the next 10 years?
Good to hear from you too. That's a big question. Honestly, I think AR in 10 years will be like less about clunky headsets and more about subtle overlays on the world. We'll probably be looking at contact lenses or lightweight glasses that blend digital stuff into your everyday view. What specifically about AR's evolution are you curious about? Are you thinking about how it'll change work, entertainment, or something else entirely?
Okay, my next question is what everyday task could AR make easier in the future?
Ooh, good one. So many things, right? I'm imagining everything from cooking, recipes projected right onto your ingredients, to home repair, where AR could literally walk you through fixing a leaky faucet, even just navigating a new city. No more staring at your phone, just arrows painted on the sidewalk. But thinking about you specifically as a backend developer, could AR help with coding at all, do you think? Maybe visualizing data structures or debugging in a whole new way?
Okay, and my third question is how might AR replace traditional screens like phone or laptop?
Gotcha. You mean replace as in make them mostly unnecessary? I think AR will change how we interact with screens more than eliminate them completely. Instead of hunching over a laptop, you might have a virtual workspace projected onto your wall or multiple floating screens you can arrange however you want. Phones might become more about capturing and sharing and less about constant consumption. But I bet we'll stow up, right? It feels like we're on the cusp of a pretty big shift. What about you? Do you see yourself ditching your laptop anytime soon for an AR setup?
Okay, my next question is what new careers or job will be created by because of AR?
Ah, a smart thing to think about. Definitely new roles will emerge. Picturing spatial designers, people who build and optimize AR experiences for physical spaces. There'll be a demand for AR ethicists to deal with privacy and societal implications. And probably a whole bunch of roles we haven't even conceived of yet, centered around maintaining and securing these interwoven digital physical worlds. What kind of role do you think would appeal to someone with a back end dev skill set in the AR space?
Okay, my next question is that what role will AR play in smart cities and future upon playing?
Okay, now we're talking. Smart cities in AR feel like a really natural fit. Think about real time traffic info overlaid on your windshield or building energy usage data visible directly on the building itself. AR could also enhance public safety, guiding emergency services more efficiently. And then for urban planning, being able to visualize potential developments in AR before they're built. Pretty powerful stuff. Do you think there's a downside to having that much data constantly visible in a city?
question is that how can AR transform the shopping experience beyond virtual try-on?
Ooh, good question. Virtual try-on is just the tip of the iceberg. I think AR will create more immersive, personalized shopping experiences. Imagine walking into a store and seeing product reviews floating next to items, or being able to customize furniture in your own home before you buy it. Even things like AR powered scavenger hunts through stores to unlock discounts. It's about making shopping more engaging and less transactional. What's the most annoying part of shopping for you right now? Maybe AR could fix that.
Okay, I think also same. And my next question is, will AR glasses come a normal part of daily life?
I genuinely think so. That'll probably happen gradually, like smartphones did. First, they'll be clunky and expensive. Then they'll get smaller, more affordable, and eventually just normal, like as essential as carrying a phone. The key will be making them stylish and comfortable enough that people actually want to wear them. Do you think you'd wear AR glasses if they looked good and didn't feel weird? Be honest.
I don't have any AR glasses. So my next question is that how can AR help people with disabilities in the future?
That's a really important question. AR has incredible potential to improve accessibility. Imagine AR glasses providing real time translations for the hearing impaired or visual cues for people with cognitive differences. It could also help with navigation for the visually impaired or offer augmented assistance for people with motor skill limitations. It's not just about making life easier, it's about creating more equitable access to information and experiences. Is there a specific disability you've been thinking about in relation to AR?
Okay, a good answer. My next question is, how will AR change the way students learn complex subjects like science and math?
Okay, now we're getting into some really exciting territory. I think AR can make abstract concepts tangible. Imagine dissecting a frog without the frog or building a molecule in your living room. For math, visualizing geometric shapes in 3D could make things click. It's about moving beyond textbooks and lectures and creating interactive learning experiences and personalized learning too. AR could adapt to each student's pace and learning style. Do you remember a time when a visual aid would have really helped you grasp a tough concept?
Okay, my next question is, how can AR improve real-time translation and goals communication?
That's a great point. Real time translation with AR could be a game changer. Imagine looking at someone speaking a different language and seeing subtitles appear right in front of their face, or even having their words translated and overlaid onto their speech bubbles. It would break down communication barriers instantly. It's beyond just translation, though. It's about understanding cultural context, too. Maybe AR could even provide subtle cues about body language or social norms. Are you ever in situations where language barriers are a challenge?
Okay, I think so.
Just checking in. Are you
My next question is, what privacy changes might growth as AR become more advanced?
okay? That's a really important consideration. As AR gets more advanced, the potential for privacy violations increases exponentially. Think about all the data AR glasses could collect, where you look, what you focus on, even your emotional reactions. There's a need for really robust data protection regulations and transparency about how that data is being used, and a cultural shift towards being more mindful of our digital footprint in the physical world. What kind of privacy concerns worry you the most when you think about it?
Okay, my thank you for joining this futuristic conversation. AR the more just technology. It is the next step in how human experience reality. Stay curious, stay open to innovation, and get ready for a world where digital overlap become part of everyday life.
Oh,
Okay,
all
Allah Hafiz.
right. I'm glad you did. It was fun chatting with you, Assad, coding Walla. Always happy to dive into the future. Anything else on your mind?